Hi folks, welcome to the Human Being Broker. Dan here, licensed business broker. Okay, I'm putting this video post together. I'm rushing it out to you guys because I've received a huge amount of emails and questions after my last video post, how to choose the right broker. So the main question that's been coming through is, what kind of documents do I need to prepare when taking my business to market? So I've prepared a bit of a list that's going to help you smash your competition out of the park. It's going to be much easier for a purchaser to find your business accessible and understand the financials behind your business, and ultimately that's going to achieve a much higher sale price. Occasionally I have a client say, look Dan, that seems like a bit of a long list. It seems like a lot of work to do. And this is what I say to them. Well, yes, take a few hours to do the work. It's going to be worth it. A purchaser is going to ask for the information anyway. And once you've prepared the information, there's not too much work for you to do. Your broker will take it from there. It's not 2007 anymore. The days are gone when you can take your business to market and have it snapped up in a couple of weeks. You're competing against hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of other businesses out there on the market in your sector. So you need to do something to stand out. Prepare your information properly. This list will apply to any cafe, bar, restaurant, or retail business. And again, folks, I want to stress to you that if your broker doesn't ask for this information, 86 them and find a broker who does, so that you can achieve this, a sold business. Okay, so let's get into it. We're going to break down the information you need to prepare to take your business to market into 4 categories: premise, financial, legals, and operationals. Premise. This is often overlooked until the last minute when solicitors have already been engaged. By demonstrating that your business is fit for purpose, you avoid costly delays later. The lease document. What are the annual increases? How long is left? Has the landlord registered the lease with the titles office, because they should have? Is there an option that needs renewing? And when is the next market review due? A huge amount of businesses overlook the council development approval. Contact your local council if you don't have this. Any solicitor will ask for this, and it can often be at the 11th hour. If you carried out any works yourself, you will also need the completion certificate, a copy of the liquor and footpath licenses. Financial. The largest assessment that a purchaser will make will be on the profitability of your business. We cannot prove profitability without records. To establish the highest level of credibility, we would aim to provide multiple points of cross-reference for a purchaser. The first point of cross-reference are the accountant-prepared financials. That will include the last 2 years' end-of-year financial statements, the corresponding BAS statements, the company tax return, and the written down value of the fixed assets. It is common that these will not match with your actual house records. However, what this does demonstrate is that they're lodged on time, and a business that doesn't make money does not lodge on time. The house management records, or your records, are our second point of reference. Here we can cross-reference the accountant-prepared information with the actual performance of the business. Once we've established the variance, we then cross-reference the data with industry benchmarks to create a compelling financial presentation that will be difficult to challenge by any purchaser. If this method is not used, a purchaser will have significant leverage to negotiate on price. Legal. These can often be overlooked in the sales process until the last minute and cause serious delays. You would be surprised at how many vendors forget to renew their business name registration, which is normally required every 5 years. The ASIC key. It's not something you need to present now, though having it ready will avoid delays again. The trademark registration, if applicable. Intellectual property in this case is a reference to any documented plans or improvements that have not yet been realised, though could increase the perceived value of the business. Operations. Another great way of creating extra value is providing a summary of the documented systems in place. These are things like ordering procedures, induction and trading manuals, daily cash-off sheets, opening and closing procedures, lists of suppliers. These types of things help the buyer to emotionally engage with the business, which is critical to the sales process. So folks, that's all for now. Commit the time to prepare this information. It's going to mean that you kick ass in the sales process, and it's going to help your business stand out from the rest. Thanks for watching, folks. Please like, share, and comment. My personal email is as follows, and if you do email me please leave your phone number behind so that we can have a more open conversation if needed. Okay? Bye.